Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Toyota Corolla SE manual. This one obviously is a little bit modified. It's been lowered, has a extremely loud exhaust, and a rear bash bar. So, you know, there's that. These tires are custom, so I don't think I'm going to be taking this on the highway for too long at all, because the entire edge is wires. But you know, could be worse. The other thing, as you can tell, this is an auction car. There's no second gear, so all the teeth are ground off second gear, so it goes into gear, but nothing happens. But you know what? I still like this thing. I haven't had the chance to try a manual one yet. So let's go for a drive. I'm pretty sure this exhaust leaks too, because all it smells like in here is raw fuel. Oh. See, I already forgot. First gear, it's on its way out too. This also has an intake on it. Not sure if you'll be able to hear it over the exhaust. This is so annoying. It is like absolutely obnoxious. I'm gonna drop both windows because I'm pretty sure this thing is leaking right in front of the cabin. At least that's what it smells like. will say, all the gears except for second are fun to use. You do have rev matching. I'm doing it myself though. I feel like out of all the gears, second gear might be one of, if not the most important. I mean, first you can get away with not having, because you could start in second. I've done that on a multitude of cars. And fourth gear and third gear are pretty close together. And it's also one less gear, actually, if there's no second. It still rev matches into second. This thing is so freaking loud. Oh man. You know, if this thing had a working second gear, I bet this thing would be so much more fun. Oh, there's some nice switches here to do a whole lot of nothing. You know, this is easy to learn manual on too, because if you watch, as I release the clutch, it automatically revs up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.